In the top 3 for the second year in a row is 5 Links, moving up to the number 2 spot on this year's Top 100.
5 Links is a telecommunications company. We sell cellular, satellite, broadband, internet services, but primarily our product line is voice over IP, and we do that with 180 employees here in Rochester, and we support a field sales force of over 50,000 independent representatives who actually market our products and services.
5 Links has a partnership of 3 founders, each with their own complementary talents and strengths.
Our partnership is great. Craig handles most of the back office, employees, growing the business, dealing with investors, and he is the best of the best at that. Jason handles the sales side of the business, where he's traveling a lot, working with the representatives, and I handle the marketing, promotions, and national events.
It's at these national events that Jeb mentioned that the 5 Links partners connect with many of their independent sales reps.
Our sales force is pretty unique. It's made up of people from every walk of life. Moms that are looking for supplemental income, people that are lawyers, doctors, bus drivers, nurses, teachers, you name it. Everybody's concerned about the economy right now, and this is a way to put a few extra dollars in the pocketbook. And again, it's a product and service that people are comfortable with. It's telephones. People understand telecommunications, and they know they're not going to stop talking to mom, dad, brother, sister, friends, etc. So the product is comfortable for folks to sell. And I think that's why we've been so successful this year. When people are looking for a plan B, 5 Links is a great plan B.
Last year, 5 Links showed us their desktop video phone that made face-to-face phone conversations easy and affordable. This year, they tell us how they've shared that technology with school children.
We have an initiative going on with the Rochester City Schools, where we've got video phones in the classrooms. And those phones are being used to share experiences between people like the art gallery and kids in school.
We had the superintendent talking to a third grader. The third grader was on a video call with the superintendent of the schools, and the third grader, I just remember saying, do you know Spanish? But they were actually seeing each other, and the interaction was unbelievable. Versus just a voice call, but now the superintendent's talking to a third grade student and could talk to the whole classroom.
In addition to putting their video phones in schools, the 5 Links partners did their part for our military and their families.
We thought the least we could do to support the military was donate some video phones to them so that these soldiers can see their families while they were overseas. So we donated over 200 phones through an organization called SeeYourTroops.com. And it was exciting because on Father's Day, we had a really big push to get phones deployed and get them stationed. We set up 9 yellow ribbon rooms for families to come on base and actually communicate to soldiers overseas. And we did over 1 million minutes of talk time on Father's Day alone. It was really exciting. And it really sends goosebumps down my arms knowing that we can touch people's lives through this opportunity.
Now 5 Links is ready to take their video phone to the next level.
It's a CU3000, and what it is, it's a wireless video phone, and we're coming to market with it in January.
The product takes our old video phone to its next logical step, which is it's now Wi-Fi enabled, it's battery powered.
Well, what it can do, you can walk around your house, your office, a conference, anywhere, and use the video phone like you're using a cell phone. So it's much more mobile, much more robust from a feature standpoint. Has an internet browser, a 7-inch screen. It's like a mini computer that's portable. It's an absolutely phenomenal product.
Which brings us to where the partners see 5 Links in the future.
I see 5 Links in 5 years in 20 different countries, $1 billion in sales, and us being the leader in worldwide voice over IP video phone technology.
We really enjoy doing what we do. And it's exciting, and we're never satisfied. We always want more. So we certainly see 5 Links being a multi-billion-dollar company over the next 5 to 10 years.
We're about growth again in 2010. That's where we're going, and we want to see just how big we can make this thing. We feel good about where we've been, but now it's new frontiers.